video about the customizing reports. So head over to the reports section in the top right of the screen. Here you'll see a quick overview of your reports. So exported reports, closed and active. Now if you click on template, you can see here the defaults, but on the left you see customized. And what this allows you to do is upload your brand logo. You can also pick a color for the background. You can also pick a color for the text, and you can also pick a color for the highlight text. So what this allows you to do is customize the report to your brand colors and logo, or perhaps a client's colors and brand logo.